How to add full screen contact photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. Then, tap on All iCloud. You can view all your contacts over here. From here, tap on your contact card at the top. You can view your contact information here. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Once you're here, tap on Add Photo as shown. Tap on Customize below and then select Poster. Choose the poster you want. For example, Photos. Then, select the photo you would like to set as your contact photo and then tap on Done above. After getting a preview of the poster, tap on Continue. You have now successfully changed your contact photo. And then, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily add full screen contact photo on iPhone.